Hi there, sweet friends. If you've never met me before, I'm Rita Joy, and I am the blogger at harbourbreezehome.com. And today I'm doing something a little different. Every Saturday for the past few weeks, I've been doing a blog post of favorite things I've found online for you and your home. And I put links there of things that I think you're gonna like because I really like them, and we tend to like the same things. But today I thought it would be fun if we poured ourselves a cup of coffee and had a little coffee time chat. I want you to feel like you're a friend sitting across from me in the coffee shop. I know we can't do that now because we're social distancing, so let's have coffee together this way, okay? And I'm gonna share with you some fun things. So first of all, on the blog this week, I shared a free printable art print that is for free. You can print it off. It's a large scale, and I even gave the directions of how to make the frame for this. It can be done on an engineer print, which is really cheap to be done, and you can probably even have that done online. I went weeks ago and had this done at Staples, our local Staples, but you check into that. That was on the blog. The other thing is yesterday I just published a resource for watercolor painting for beginners. I've decided to start learning watercolor painting, and I'm having so much fun. And I listed in there a resource with a whole bunch of templates like this. There's tons and tons in there. So if you or somebody you know wants to start taking up beginner watercoloring, it is so much fun. I highly recommend it. I also have in my Amazon shop the supplies that I use. I just have like these beginner watercolor paints. I will link up paints and paper. It's a really cheap craft to start, and if you're home with your kids, it's something you guys can do together, and it's really, really fun. The other thing I wanted to share with you is Allison from Get Your Pretty On is someone I've shared here before, and her Spring Style Challenge Outfit Formula course is open, and I am in it and I am loving it. In fact, what I'm wearing today is one of her outfit formulas, medium wash jeans. She told me they were trendy this year, or I wouldn't have known, and a floral top. You can pair it with a neutral cardigan if you have one. I happen to have this red one, and some neutral shoes. Can you see them? Anyway, I just find, even though I work from home all the time, not just now, it helps my self-confidence and my productivity to get dressed every day. And I just love learning from Allison. And right now, I must say, there's a private Facebook group that goes with the course. And it is such an uplifting place to be every day. And people are showing their outfits and encouraging each other. And I highly, highly recommend it. The other thing is, if you are suddenly a homeschooling mom, and overnight, I was there a long time, that happened to me too in a totally different way, but if you are looking for homeschooling resources, my friend Holly from Kids Activity Blog has you covered. I'm telling you what, she has over 12,000 posts for kids activities and parents. I highly, highly recommend her site. And if I were you, sign up for her email list. I signed up for it because I want to read her emails every day, even though I don't have kids at home anymore. She sends out great information every day, ideas for kids activities for you. It's fabulous. I just love it. So if you are watching this on Instagram TV or YouTube, I will put the link down below to all of the links, or to the blog post where I will share all the links of everything I've just talked about. So those are some fun things that I've discovered online this week that I think you might find fun too. So thanks for spending a few minutes with me. I hope you have a great day. Toodaloo.